members are down for Black Lotus, and here comes Unbound Egg just rampaging through this bot lane, but actually the Ivysaur got the steal sa ating Reggie Ice, and this Lapras trying to defend the goal zone. Both Unite moves, many Unite moves have been dedicated or wasted na dito sa ating laban na to. Lapras Express connects onto the backside. 3 members down for Black Lotus. Ano na, Lapras, the only one left alive, and it's a team wipe coming in from Unbound Egg. Magagana dito, 4 members, make that 5 members. Oh, no, 2 members down for the side of Isen Exosia. Woodhammer connects onto 3 members kanina ng ating Isen Exosia, and another one falls into the...
Dahil na ngayon pagsasagasa ulit ng Nightpack. Trying to do damage. Ayun yung night moves galing kay Krasel and even kay Urshifu. Ano kung makukuha nila yung yung bottom lane.
Ivysaur connects onto 4 members. Woodhammer again to the 4 members as well of Isen Exosia. Make that 3 members down for, make that 4 members down for Isen Exosia. Night Fox is just not giving them any space at all. This Slowbro.
Nalo pa nila itong Nightbox, knowing na napakalaki nung halaman.
Oh no! Mali ata yung pasok doon natin. Eligos gets taken down. Members of Nightbox low on HP as well. Isen Exosia making this comeback as well. Let's say team wipe 2-0. Pero makita natin ngayon si Shuba. Bababa na ata siya dito. Makikita niya ba tong Dodrio na to na naglalakad mag-isa, pero may kasama tong Umbreon. Sinusubukan niyang pumasok. Slashing in and out, and that is a pick-off coming in. Guys, pero ngayon, Team Old Guys needs to do something quick kasi ubos na dito ang side ng Initial 7. Members are going down for Initial 7, and I think this might be...
Pwede maging kampante dahil baka maagawan na naman sila ng Rayquaza. Ayun yung Solar Beam.
Oh no, Solar Beam na! Nakamit na! Pero ito na yung boosted basic attack. Pero Goodrak secures the Rayquaza.
Konting pagbawi na Reggie Eleki, pero what will that spell kung madedep naman yun ng nilang nung kalaban nila. Yan nga, nagkaroon pa ng slow beam coming from that slow bro at the defense. At yan na nga yung red back coming from the Secret Rares Diamond. They will not let Unbound Egg capitalize on that opening. Grabing pagdepensa coming from remaining on this match. Sylveon, Nipion na ginahit, wala pa rin pitas. At ayan na nga, finally, Budge goes down at mukhang masasama pa to. Clippable na to. And 3-man down while yung Umbreon pumupuslit lang. So
Make that 4, 4 na! Comfy na lang!
There might feel. And ayan na nga, grabe, Lipion, quadra kill pa nga. And this will be an easy Isen Exosia win. And pero nagkaroon tayo ng clash sa bottom lane. Dalawa yung bagsak sa team ng Isen. Yung Initial 7 naman, si Mew yung bumagsak. Pero to si Shua, kumakalmot-kalimot pa rin. Trying kalmutin itong si Slowbro. Ginawang 4 chop yung baboy. And he has a good problem kung sino yung kanyang tataniban. Kung sino yung kanyang papatungan. Pwede yung Zoroark, pwede yung Zacian, pwede yung Umbreon.
Grabe yung damage!
Kalimot, kahit hindi si Zoroark, Eleki, which means kulang ng isang player itong i7 sa baba. Thus, all guys can capitalize that one. At ayun na nga yung mga Unite move coming from
grabe!
Yan na! Panicure ng ating
Zoning out the members of All Guys. Ayaw nilang bigyan ito ng pagkakataon makapasok sa loob. Pero RBX, sobrang sakit. Dispersion. The Solar Beam connects and hits from downtown. All Guys. This is what they need. They need to pick off these 3 members. Kailangan nila. Ito, RBX from downtown. Lapras Express connects 3 members. Make that 2 members down for Initial 7 and Old Guys.